Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you guys trying to find where the DRL lights, fuses, relays are located on Chevy Silverado, that generation here from year 2014 to 2019. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find them, guys. Now, by the way, make sure to stay until the end because there is something tricky about that. And if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below, guys. Check it out and you can see if you need something, you can get it, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now, guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. The DRL lights, guys, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them. Let's demonstrate on that generation Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra and Chevy Silverado. As you know, they share the same platform, so it will actually work on the GMC Sierra. But for Chevy Silverado, quick reminder, guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why, guys, we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Silverado Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. It's a video that people told us saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. If you open, guys, the hood facing the engine now, on the right side here, lucky for us, we work in a fuse box that most people know about. Open that cover on the driver's side. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So, guys, that specific fuse box design is used for 2018 and 19 model. If you have a 2014 through 17, we'll explain in a little bit. For 2018 and 19 model, most likely, guys, that's the headlight fuse right here that most likely the DRL function is part of. This fuse is known as fuse number 58. It's a double micro 3-blade fuse. Really hard to find a replacement of that fuse, so always keep a spare one in the glove box, guys. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get one from if you need to. Now, if you have a 2014 through 17, you see that fuse here? It's the same fuse, but it's known as fuse number 59. So some things will differ after year 2018 to know, but most likely it's that fuse. Another thing that you need to check is maybe your BCM fuses. If you have problems with the DRLs not working, you had a bad DRL or bad headlight assembly, you replace it, still doesn't work, you may need to clear the codes from the computer systems, reset them, and that might fix the problem. Because if you have a present code, that function may be deactivated, guys, and it may not work correctly as well. But always check these things first. Now, guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind, guys. That way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.